Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to my video editing workshop. So we'll first start off with the agenda for today. So we'll be answering the question of why do we need to edit Caspa's videos and the task of video editing, using scripts to edit the video, and other usages like creating certificates and some resources. So why do we need to edit Caspa's event videos? So like Caspa's videos be segmented for like better organization. Unnecessary parts they need to be cut out, and important parts they need to be segmented. Like keynote speakers or like introductions from Caspa. Also, segmenting the videos make it easier to upload on YouTube since most of Caspa's events are a couple hours long and takes quite a while. Okay, so here, so we're going to discuss my method of editing videos today. So you can use like other editing softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, but what I prefer using ffmpeg, which in my opinion it's the best. All right, so this is going to be interactive, so I kind of need you guys to download ffmpeg right now. So first of all, I'll give you some time to like type this link in on Google.
Yeah,
Just give me like
could you send this link in your chat
the
room?
chat or yeah.
Thank you.
All right, the chat. Okay, it's out here now.
Thank you.
Give me like a thumbs up if you guys are in on the website.
Go download.
Yeah, thumbs up if it looks like this. Or you can like type in chat like
That package.
okay okay
Download
okay
what? There's
I'll continue on.
code.
So basically, you want to download based on your operating system. So you see, there's Linux, there's Windows, and there's Mac OS. So I personally use Windows. So I go to this website. So so you can download two versions of this. There's like the essentials version and the full version. The full version, like it contains all of the codes. Version just like the most important like codes, like the stuff that you need. So I'll be downloading this right now. I'll just give you a quick tutorial. You see the bottom left, you can see I'm downloading. All right, so I've downloaded the essentials version right now, just now. So you guys, you need to extract this. So you see this is a .7z. So you need to get the 7-zip to extract the files. I'm gonna extract it here. Earlier this essentials. Okay, they're here. So now you can see now you can find the ffmpeg.exe in the extracted files. If you go on like bin, if you click on bin, you see the directory. I don't know if you guys have 7-zip or anything like to extract the files, but so
So
Yeah,
Andrew, I put in everything in the Google Drive.
yeah.
So
I don't know if you guys have like 7-zip there to extract the file. So if you need like help on that, you can just like tell me or tell me. Yeah.
yeah, or you can go to the Google Drive. So the Google Drive
Hey,
has
you
a
already pasted the exe there, right?
yeah, I already
Okay,
I
okay,
put that one. You can Google that Google Drive video editing material. You can go that.
okay. Yeah,
Um, it
yeah,
says
yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
on
just refresh.
Huh?
Mac
Refresh.
and it says that
Uh,
I can't open it because it's from an unidentified developer.
You yeah,
wait,
that's
I have a. Did you click on when you were on the ffmpeg website? Did you click on the Mac OS icon or anything other than that? I just need to like clear that out. Clear that first. Yeah.
I did click on.
Okay, okay, that's good. Okay. So if it's from what did it say? You like okay though, like download anyways, right?
Um,
if if it's safe, it is safe to use, no problem.
Yeah, you can just say like download anyways.
She already download the software, the Mac app, but Mac doesn't let her to open it because she said
Oh,
it's downloaded
Yeah.
from.
you guys need to extract it, like extract it. Like what does it say? Like dot something. Like what does it say?
It says it Mac.
it says ffmpeg cannot be opened because it is from an unidentified developer.
Okay. So can you hear me right now? I'm the
Yeah.
TA for this class.
IT.
Yeah, I'm IT. Let me tell you how to do that. You just um use a control press in your Mac keyboard, press control first, right click your ffmpeg, then click open.
What?
Click control first.
It doesn't. Okay.
Yeah, control, then right click, use
Control
open.
command.
Yeah, open with terminal. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that means actually then you can say it's runs, right? Then you have to do only this once. Then you don't have to worry about it next time.
So is it good now?
It's in the Mac. Mac has some very
Yeah.
strict, very strict security.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but I guess right now it's fine. Right now
It's
should be
fine now,
okay.
right? Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, since I have the ffmpeg.exe, I'm gonna copy this. Wait, give me a second. I'm gonna copy this into my editing folder that I already created prior. So you see here, it's under my name, and then go to editing, then demo, and then just paste it here. This is not Oh yeah, I already did it before, so there's no point in me just getting another program.
I think people need to Andrew, first you need to show the video editing folder in a Google Drive. Just show that. People need to download all these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, refresh
Uh,
this one, refresh.
you posted. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The so yeah, you can download like the exe straight from the folder here actually. It'll be
Yeah.
much easier. There's a Mac version, and I believe this is the Windows version. All right. So you guys can create like a new folder for editing, and then you could just place the ffmpeg in there. Because if you guys don't place a folder, if you guys don't place ffmpeg in like your folder, then it wouldn't work. All right. Now you see I've downloaded ffmpeg. I have the 4.4 version, which is like an older version. and the newest version available. All right, I'm gonna. So is it fine if I move on now?
Yeah, I think so. You can move on.
Okay. All right, so you guys downloaded ffmpeg. So now we're gonna get to understand the first command code, which helps with segmenting our videos. So here's an example. So you have to call ffmpeg. So I call ffmpeg, and then you have to put the starting time of the video you want to edit. Not like the actual starting time of the video, but the starting time of the segment that you want to cut. And then here it will be the input video file. And this is the important part. So it says 2, and then this is the duration. Duration. Okay. Like not the end time of the segment, but this is the duration. And then you have to that /c, and then you make an output video file. The most like the difficult part of video editing is like finding the starting time and the duration of the video segments. 'Cause it requires like mathematics and stuff. So now, since you guys know the first code, you guys can create batches, which allows you to cut multiple videos at once. So first you open like a notepad, new, and notepad text document. So it's a txt, which now I will rename to test run.txt. So and then you you type your codes into the notepad, right? Let me just give me a second. Let me just open the notepad. I already have like example codes from other like edits before prior. So I'll just take them and just copy and paste it into the other notepad that I made for simplicity. So I'm gonna remove like rem, because rem basically just means like pound, so like it won't actually do something even though it's there. Okay, so now we have the codes. Now we have the code into the notepad, and what you want to do is this is either since we're already using like a command prompt to do all of this, right? We can convert the text file into a batch file by doing. So you open your command prompt and you say ren, and then you type tab, and then test run.txt. You found test run.txt, and then you put test run.bat. That will convert it to a batch, and then let's do. There we go. Now their test run has became a batch. You can still edit it though. If you just click edit, you'll still be brought up to the notepad, and it'll. So what you want to do after you created a batch, so what you want to. So now I can execute the batch, right? So I can execute this batch file now. So test bat. Oh shoot. Actually, I can just like click the. Let's save. Oh, oh shit! I have to save. Yeah, make sure to save. Oops, sorry guys. Uh, okay. Actually, why is there 6? Oh shoot. There's actually nothing here. So I'm gonna paste what I wrote into this batch. It seems I messed up some point, but I don't remember when. Now I've saved it, so it should be fine now. So, oh, see, it's working. All right. Now if you check into your folder, boom, you have 5 videos that you have segmented. So we'll just check one of these videos to see if it's working properly. So I'll be using a VLC media player since it's better than the default Windows media players.
Let's introduce our key start structure, discussion tools for the elementary school.
Yeah, it looks perfect. Yeah. So you have 5 segmented videos. We can move on from this point. And batch creation continued. So if you want to like replace your videos without being prompted with the yes no question where you have to click Y or N, like if you just want to change your time since you messed up on the first run, you can add echo yes and a line. Echo just means it just means like print, so it would automatically just say yes for you. See, so see, I'm back in the BAT, and then I'll add it here. So the first one should automatically prompt yes, but the rest of them should still give me the yes no thing. Remember to save, guys. See, now since you see the first video didn't prompt me with the yes no, but the rest would. So as you can see here, I have to click it Y, Y, and Y. Uh, okay, so for here we can change resolution of videos. So why would you want to change the resolution of videos, right? Because if since most of the meetings of Caspa are recorded on Zoom, the resolution, default resolution on Zoom is much higher than like optimal resolution for YouTube, and we can just change that so they're easier for uploading, or you can like increase the quality of the video by changing the resolution. All right. So the cleanup code is ffmpeg, and then the input Caspa underscore SEF 2022 underscore zbin.mp4, and then dash VF, and then scale equals -1 to 1080. So you guys, if you watch YouTube, you just like 720p, 1080p, and all that stuff, right? And then this part isn't really important. The preset part is sort of important. If you trust it the fast, it's less like detailed than like if you put it slow. It'll be like much smaller if you put it just slow, but it'll take much longer. C, and then audio copy, Caspa of 2022, leaving 1080p down before. So I'll show you how this works. First, I'll take one of these videos. I'll take the leaving video. Instead of making it like 11 minutes, since normally when you're converting the resolution of video, it takes a really long time. So I'll change it from the 0 to like 1 minute duration. Place it. So I'm gonna go to make sure that this video is now 1 minute long. Oh, well, I guess I can. Oh, yep. See, it is around a minute long, and that's good. Okay. Now it's 1 minute long, and I'll be using the code that I've written here to convert the resolution resolution from 720p to 1080p. So here, all right. You can see that it's doing the conversion right now. All right, it's done now, so we can. So this is the regular, the 720p one, and the 1080p one. This one's gonna appear much larger since it's high resolution, you know. Uh, I'm gonna actually use VLC Media Player to play with this one.
Okay.
So the font appears much. Now let's compare to the 720p video, where I'm gonna use VLC Media Player. It appears much larger, the 1080p video, because its resolution changed. Alright. So you guys know change resolution videos now. Okay. We can go into like editing image files using ffmpeg. So, I've been recently like tasked with the job of creating like certificates. So the base template is here. See, there's like no name, no hour awarded or anything like that. Alright. So basically, you call your image file here, like minus dash I, and then VF draw text font lines to see Windows fonts area TTF. So what you're doing is you're taking one of the fonts out of the font library of Windows that's already like saved onto your computer. You can see over here, you can see like fonts, right? These are that you'll be able to use. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, it has to be like one of these fonts though, like, but there's plenty. Right. This is what the text is gonna show, John Smith, and then the font color will be black, and the font size will be 75, and then the dimensions will be x 800 and y 40. So how do you find the dimensions of the original image? You can go to the image, click properties and details, and you'll find that it's 2000 pixels by 1545 pixels. So what the output of running this command will be this John Smith, and for 12 hours of excellent work. Here I'll place this code, paste this code into ffmpeg, and I'll show you like. So I'm gonna change the name to what name? Let's read or something like that. I'm gonna change it from test.jpg to test2.jpg. Now it should be different output. All right. So oh, see test2.jpg, and let's see what it says. John Reed. Amazing. I'll give you like some time to I'll give you some time right now to understand this code, so you can like take a picture of it, to have like as a reference. All right.
Hi, Andrew.
Yeah.
Andrew, I have a question.
Yeah.
For your coding here, can you show the certificate?
The base one or the one that I just made?
Whatever. Yeah.
No, this is the
Just
one that I
you
just made.
yeah, yeah. So how does this coding show how do we know where the name will go?
Oh yeah. So okay, so as you can like you found the dimensions using like the properties and details as 2000 by 1545 pixels, right? So basically the x is 2K, the x is a 2000, and then the y is 1545. So basically you want to estimate where like where the thing is going to be. So in the middle is 1000, which is like around here. And since you don't want your name to be like directly the J to directly be on 1000, since it would be like a bit to the right. So what I did
Oh.
was I just estimated a bit forward, so I put 840. It's trial and error. 840, and then you get the x value per y value is 1545, and then around half of that is 772.5, which is around like here. So for and then here I believe it's like 480. So it's just trial and error.
Oh, just estimate, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your coding is just add a name. So we cannot do any template thing, right? Just add a
no,
name.
you can change like your font size, or you can change like the font color.
No, my question is if I wanted to put more words, like if I wanted to draw one more line, is there possible, or what we
Draw a
can do is
line.
just add a name here?
I don't know if you can like draw a line actually, but I know
So we
I know
cannot,
it's like text. That's basically it.
yeah, we cannot change the format. We just can add something on on the on the format, right?
Yeah, you can just add more. I think that's basically what. I'm not sure.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah. You can this code, it doesn't have to be this long, since this is for the 12, like for the 12 hours that you put on the for your 12 hours of service. But if I just delete this part, if I just delete this 12-hour part and delete this comma here, like around like this, it will just print out John Smith with the font color and stuff. But what if you want to do font color of red? No, let's try this code. Right. Now we hit font color red, test out JPEG. Now it's red. The 12 is red now.
The 12 is what you the 12 is what you add in, right? It's empty for the template, right?
Yeah. So yeah, if you want to look at the base template, this the name
Oh,
part,
okay.
yeah, it's all empty, but you can add on stuff.
Got you. Thank you. Yeah, anyone have question, you can just ask, okay? Yeah, otherwise Andrew can keep going.
Yeah, that's basically about it. So the resources you can download from ffmpeg. materials for this workshop, which are, I believe, are already posted in the chat. So, and there's my email if you want to contact me.